Mom, wanna hold him?
Oh, you want to see? Pardon?
How many months?
5 months and 2 weeks. You need to face forward. Hi.
So you want to check his pelvis and spine this way.
Yes. Oh, there's a camera. You're gonna be distracted. Yes. Oh, say thank you. Boom. Didum, didum, didum. Hi, Levi.
Gotta be quick for these little guys.
Don't move.
Yeah. So obviously with the indicator we can reduce a lot of the pressure with the adjustment by adjusting over my thumb, or I can just change the tension on the indicator itself. So depending on what area of the spine we're working with. So usually down lower in the spine we'll use a little bit more tension with the adjustment.
This is my...
Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Alright. Get you on your back.
Okay.
You lie down. Get you lying down on the pillow. See if you like that today.
Oh, my goodness. I'll sit down here.
I'll just check the upper part of the neck there. Hey, bud.
Hey, say I like to squirm. Levi. Hey, Levi. I know. You want to roll over. You can't roll over right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. There you go. Done.
Oh.
There you go, buddy.